Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is day 9 of Vlogmas and lots to share today because we have two knit crate unboxings today and another weird story. So let's get started with the yarn advent calendar. Today we are looking at the last lighthouse in South Holland, and the name of it is Noordwijk aan Zee. Noordwijk aan Zee. And it is right here, number 9. So this area here is South Holland and this is North Holland. So it's right there. And I'm going to pull out the chain. So this lighthouse is different looking than all of the rest of them so far. I've never seen a lighthouse like that. It almost reminds me of a like a landing like a control tower, like for an airport. Because look, there's like a window viewing area right here, and it's got lots of antennas and stuff up here. So definitely interesting looking. So again, this is day 9, and yes, I am in my pajamas. We went for comfort today. So let's see what we got. And I do have a slight cold. At least we're hoping it's just a cold. Oh, this is pretty. And we have another stitch marker as well. So let me show you the yarn first. So there is the yarn, lots of different colors in there with like a dark gray base to it. And it is called Inca Dreams. It's 95% wool or 75% wool, 25% polyamide, and the color is called Og. It looks like an Og. So there you can see it's definitely a gray background. And here is the little stitch marker. It is a little seashell. And it's in blue. So that is day 9's yarn. Now, I'll tell you a little bit of a funny story. We have heated seats in our one car. Now the car I drive all the time is like 11 years old, has 160,000 miles. I'm hoping it gets me to retirement. It's sort of a rolling mess. But anyway, it works. I don't have any problems with it. It's a little Toyota Yaris, and it gets great gas mileage, which is the important thing because I drive about 24 miles to work and then 24 miles back. So 48 miles every time I go into work. So, you know, that car, like, it's the bare bones basic. It doesn't have anything electronic in it or anything like that. In fact, my grandson got in the back seat one day and he goes, "Grandma, what is this crank thing on the door?" And I said, "Well, that puts the window up and down." And he was like, "Cool." And the whole way from their house to our house, which is about 6 miles, he was rolling up and down the window because he was just totally fascinated by that technology. But anyway, our other car that we have is a Toyota Camry, and it has heated seats, and I love getting in the heated seats. So I saw this thing online where I could get a heated seat that I could either put in my car. It has an adapter that plugs into the cigarette lighter. I think I do have one of those in my car. But anyway, it plugs into that, or you can plug it into the wall and stick it on a chair. And not only does it get warm, but it also like vibrates, so you kind of get a massage. So I was like, oh, this sounds like such a great idea. So I ordered it. Houston, we have a problem. This is what they sent me. Take a real close look at the plug. Yeah, if you live in Europe, this is the type of plug you need. This plug doesn't work for the US. Yeah, So anyway, I have contacted the seller and said, yeah, I need a regular US plug for this instead of a European plug. So I'm waiting to hear back from them. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to buy one of those adapters that you can plug in, like European to American adapter. Yeah. How fun is that? Yeah, that was not quite what I had counted on happening, but anyway, that's what I'm dealing with right now. So now let's get on to the knit crate. Now this is October's knit crate. Now I got part of it in midway through November, but I get 2 boxes normally, although that stopped in October for 2 months. Anyway, I'll explain that in a minute. But I normally get a knit crate box that I buy and a knit crate box that they send me for free as an affiliate because I talk about their products. So they sent me the one I get for free, but they forgot to send me the one I paid for. So I kept holding out just in case they came in 2 different colors so that I could show you 2 different colors. Did they come in 2 different colors? No, they both are the same. So I now have 4 skeins of the same color yarn, but that's okay. I can just make something bigger. So let's look at what my options would have been. Let me cover over all the codes here. The yarns that are these 3 here are part of the knit crate that I get, which is the Knit and Crochet membership box. The ones over here are part of the sock membership box, which you can get. It's a little bit cheaper. I'm not sure what the price is of the sock one. The one I get is $29.99 plus shipping. It's just shy of $38, unless you have a discount code, which is why I am not ordering any that I pay for right now, because I know that November's, which you've already seen, which was a bulky yarn, I know December's is also a bulky yarn. So those, I've got more than enough bulky yarns. I'm not a big bulky yarn knitter. So anyway, you can skip months if there's something you don't like. So I'm skipping next month. So December's box will just be the affiliate box that they send me for free. So let's see what I got and what the patterns are. I got 4 skeins of this. It is a tweed, as you can see here. I mean, it's perfect colors. I'm glad I got the orange. I could have gotten a kind of purpley color or a green. I actually like the orange because it definitely looks more fall-ish. So what is this? This one's called Pumpkin Spiced Everything. It is a Vitalana Tweedy Sheep yarn, and it's 90% wool, 10% Donegal neps. Neps are the little flecks that make it a tweed. Okay. And let's see, it is an Aran weight, which is like not quite bulky, but heavier than worsted. There's 150 yards or 137 meters per skein. And so I have a total of 4 of the same colors. So there we go. And I do like this as a fall yarn. I mean, it's really pretty, and it's perfect for fall colors. They also sent, they send little freebies in there every so often. And so they sent me, I have 2 of these. And it's just project notes. It says on it, my project ingredients. So little notepad. So I have two of those. So, okay, so the patterns that came with this, they come with a knit pattern and a crochet pattern, and then they also send you a sock pattern for knit and crochet. Now the sock pattern does not work with this yarn because it's too thick. It's meant to be done with the sock crate that you can buy, but they send you the pattern anyway. So the crocheted pattern is called the Autumn Cables Cowl by Underground Crafter. The knit pattern that they send you is called Tress Infinity Scarf by Knitting with Chopsticks. And then the two sock patterns are, the knitted one is called Falling Leaves by Pam Grushkin. And the crocheted socks are Sappin Socks by Sylvia Damey, or Sylvie Damey. So that is the patterns that came. I do like all 4 patterns this month. Not sure which one, since I've got enough to make both of the patterns. So maybe one will become the crocheted pattern, one will become the knitted pattern. I'm not sure, or I might just do something else with it. We'll see. Because all together I have, it's 300 yards, 600 yards. So I have a total of 600 yards. So I could do something a little bit more substantial than that. So we shall see. But that is the Knit Crate for today, and that is our yarn advent calendar for today. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, everybody.